Welcome back to another video. Today we have new Milwaukee Mechanic Milwaukee tools coming out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So big shout out to Stan the Man for helping us out, for helping us find this information. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first one that we see here on this picture is it says Shockwave impact duty sockets. Milwaukee Tool continues to deliver groundbreaking accessory solutions for the introduction of Shockwave impact duty. 6-point socket lineup available in 1/4, 3/8, half, 3/4, and 1-inch drives, impact extensions, adapters, universal joints, reducers, sockets, rails, clips, retaining rings, engineered for use for impact wrenches, drivers, and ratchets. This is the new line of sockets. Features in the boldest, longest lasting markings and extreme. So pretty much what they're saying is that they're releasing a whole new lineup basically of tools. So from what they say here, it's a complete kit basically for the mechanic, for somebody that uses the impact wrenches, the 1/2-inch fuels and stuff like that. So it says launch here, launch date May 2021. So that is the launch date. All right, the next picture that we have is pretty much the sockets themselves. As you guys see here, they do come in a case. I don't think this is a pack out case, but it looks just like a hard case, red. And then you see the sockets here with white or chrome or white lettering, black color. The sockets are black, and then you have a red line in the top of the socket here. And it seems like these are the regular short ones, not the longer ones. And on the next picture here we have a Milwaukee. Same thing. It's like a toolbox here, or a plastic red case with two looks like metal clippings or clips. And then it says Milwaukee, and then you got it says metric here. You got item number 49667014. It says metric 14-piece 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, 6-point deep. So these are the deep ones. These are the longer sockets. It says boldest, longest lasting markings, 9. Okay, so they're saying that their markings are the longest lasting to stamped. I can't really read that. Something filled, and it says lifetime guarantee, Shockwave, and maybe some of the tools here on the bottom that you can use this bottom right hand corner that you can use these sockets with. All right, the next picture that we have another tool. It says Milwaukee reveals the world's first cordless low-speed tire buffer. So Milwaukee, it's really hard to read this. If you want to try and read it yourself, feel free, pause the video, rewind it, whatnot. There's no tools out there, and if there is, they're not known, or they're not very known. But this is the first low-speed buffer, tire buffer. This is for the professionals, for the tire shops and mechanics and stuff like that do a lot of tires. So this is let's see here. So when it comes to flat repair applications, yeah, I can't read it. It's just too small. It is an M12 fuel power state brushless motor, so it is brushless. What else? The new M12 fuel low speed buffer, M12. So it is a low speed. That's what we know. Toughest spaces. So it is pretty small and low speed, as it says right here. Power tools. Yeah, I can't read it. So if you can try and read it yourself. All right, here's the next picture here. This is a little bit more clear. This is M12 fuel power tools designed to engineer for delivery performance, power state. Brushless motor, lithium battery pack, lithium plus. Simply, M12 fuel are the most powerful compact tools in their class. U.S. manufacturers provides repair. Specifications here, you got M12 fuel, low speed, tire buffer, item number or tool number 2409-22. You got drilling mode 1200 RPM. You got buffing mode 2500 RPM. And you got quick change adapter, variable speed trigger, LED work light. Alright, the next picture is the picture of the buffer itself. Like I said, it looks like a Dremel. It's pretty much straight. It does have some looks like some attachments here. You can attach it. Very different from your regular drills or whatnot. And then the next picture here, you got the buffer here with the tire. It looks like a ratchet from the back part here, but once you get to the head, it's different. But everything seems to be the same as like a ratchet. And there you go. Here's another picture of the tool working on a tire, basically cleaning out all the inside so they can patch it up. And same thing. Here's another picture with the tool cleaning there. And it seems like it does have like a, I don't know if these are the lights for the, no, that's the speed, I think. It does have like a speed selector here on the front of his finger here, and on the back here it looks like you got the battery gauge, and then you got a paddle, like a paddle switch or something like that. Let me see the other picture here. Yeah, it looks like a paddle switch. And the next picture here, it's a little bit more complete. You can see the tool working on the inside of cleaning pretty much the inside of the tires so they can patch it up. All right, and then the next picture here, we got it looks like we got a selector. Oh yeah, so maybe a low and a high speed, and then you got an arrow here on the top where it tells you the direction of where the tool is rotating. It says fuel brushless on the bottom. And then the next picture here, yeah, it's like a paddle, like an old, the old air tools that you used to have. This is most likely what you're going to be seeing on this tool, as you guys see there. So anyways, just some stuff that Standard Man found out, and he shared it with us, this channel. He did find a couple more pictures, but I believe they weren't clear, so I couldn't read them. So big shout out to Standard Man. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.